So I'm Harry Mellon. That's right. And it's not, seriously, it's not because my melons are really hairy. I wax. I do. Oh, well, folks, I have a confession to make. I'm going commando tonight. Yes, it's true. It's true. And really, honestly, it's not because I'm trying to be sexy. I know that. I already know that about myself. And it's not because I hate panty lines. I'm not that vain. Seriously. And plus, I need the elastic to hold up my ass. I have no panties. And you want to know why? Because I have a rat terrier that eats the crotch out of all my panties. Yeah, that's right. You know how some women will go out and buy those really nice crotchless panties from places like Taboo Lingerie? The nice seams built in them? Nah, fuck no, I don't do that, man. My crotchless panties look like a fucking hyena went to town. That's right, man, I have my own crotchless panty maker. We're calling it a new line, Savage. And it's got a face of my rat terrier.